I am speaking to encourage mothers who are on medication, and I'm calling it Mom on Meds. During the holidays, it's just can be such a horrible time trying to figure out how we're going to get together with family members and if we're going to feel up to being with gatherings. It's hard to plan when you are on medication because sometimes your meds go good and sometimes they don't go good. But the best thing that you can do for you and your family is for you to take care of yourself. That is the one reason why I do take medication and why I'm a mom on meds, is because I've decided that it's better for me to be able to take good care of myself and my family and be a good friend than it is to be up and down all over the place because of a mental illness, whether it's panic attack, post-traumatic stress syndrome, obsessive compulsive, manic depressive, and there's so many others. Detachment is an area where a lot of these things come into play. So it's dissociative disorders. And so whatever your situation is, I want to encourage you, stay on your meds for the holiday. Do it for yourself and do it for your family. Don't let anyone talk down to you or make you feel like what you're doing is not right for either you or your family. I am a Christian, and so I highly recommend that you stay in prayer with God, that you allow Him to guide and lead you through the healing process. I want you to know that healing is possible. We may not be perfect this side of the earth, this side of heaven, we may not be perfect. But while we're here on earth, we can be the best that we can be. And so that's all. I just wanted to encourage you. If you're a family member and you're listening to this, encourage your loved one to stay on the medication, to still get active and get involved, but give them the ability to set their boundaries and allow them to share how they feel about a situation. If they start to get a panic or if they're in an uncomfortable situation, sometimes even help them, ask them, what can I do for you? Or what do you need? And listen closely. And they may just need to go walk. They may need fresh air. And that may be enough to rejuvenate them to be back with the family, the group. And the reason why I share all this is because a lot of times when we're on medication, we come from families who it's just not easy to be back with. So holidays can be very stressful, and we can do things to help it not be so much. Sleep, eating well, not rushing. Don't put the pressure on yourself. Stay on your medication. And most of all, look for times during the days that you can enjoy it with your family, with relationships, with people that you love. And do those things that are most important. Keeping your focus always centered with the Lord, and then moving out from there to see if you can spread sunshine to other people during this season when everyone's so hectic. I hope you have a wonderful day today and be encouraged. It is not a sin to take your medicine. Matter of fact, it may be a sin if you don't. So just pray about it and have a wonderful holiday season.